Today I'm going to be working on a power vent water heater, 3 toilets, and running a water service line above ground. When I'm working on that water heater, I'm going to be using this bandsaw. I'm adjusting some gas piping, and then I'll mega press onto the piping in order to run what I need for that new water heater. And then secondarily, I'm going to be running a new service line above ground temporarily until we can get directional bore guys to shoot underneath a concrete slab. And that's what I'm doing today. This is Landon with Best Plumber. See you next time.